Assalamu alaikum students, we are back here again. Now we are going to see that how to convert from the improper fractions to the mixed fractions. Basically when you have to add, subtract, multiply or divide the fractions. You can do that very efficiently if you are really quick at converting the improper fractions into the mixed fractions, and then again the mixed fractions back into the improper fractions. Okay, so I'll have some improper fractions written over here. First of all, now suppose we have 10 over 9, I have 3 over 2, I have 6 over 5, I can have 10 over 7, I can have 16 over 3. Okay, so these are the improper fractions. Let's see how to convert them into the mixed fractions. Okay, so now you can clearly see that this 10, which is the numerator, is bigger than the denominator. Now there are many ways of converting these improper fractions into the mixed fractions, but I would like you to do that mentally. Okay, so now you have to read out the table of 9 with me. Okay, so you have to see that 9 1 times is 9, 9 2 times is 18. Now when we say 9 2 times is 18, basically why I'm reading out the table of 9, the thing is this 10 is basically being divided by 9. Suppose if this was 18 over 9, okay, then you can see that this was clearly equal to 2, because 9 2 times is 18. Okay, and suppose if it was 9 over 9, so then you can see that 9 1 times is 9. So this result is 2, this result is 1. Now this is 10 over 9. This 10 is, you can see that this 10 is nowhere in the table of 9. So you have to read out the table of 9 with me. 9 1 times is 9, okay. 9 2 times is 18. So this is 10, 9 2 times is 18. We can't take this up to 18. So I'll have to say, okay, yes, this is more than 9, rather than saying this is more than 18. So how much this 10 is more than that 9, that is 1 more than 9. So this 10 over 9 is basically 9 over 9 plus 1 over 9, okay, because 9 1, so this is your 1 over here. Okay, if you add them together, you get them back as 10 over 9. Okay, so this is going to be 9 over 9, which is going to be 1 plus 1 over 9. So you know that this 1 plus 1 over 9 is same as 1 whole 1 over 9. So 10 over 9 written as a mixed fraction is going to be 1 over 9. Now let me erase this and give you a bit detail of this. Now suppose if this was 20 over 9, then how could you convert that into its mixed fraction? Okay, now this time when you say that 9 1 times is 9, okay, 9 2 times is 18, 9 3 times is 27. When I say 9 3 times 27, so this is going beyond that 20, so that means I have to stay up to 2. So 9 2 times is 18. This is 18 and then 2 more than that. So this is basically 18 over 9 plus 2 over 9. I can split this into 18 over 9 plus 2 over 9. So this 18 over 9 is going to be 2. So it's 2 whole 2 over 9. Now suppose I have 31 over 9. Okay, you try it out first yourself and then I'll tell you. Okay, you're trying it. So this is, you have to read out the table of 9. So 9 1 times 9. Guys, you have to be very good at tables, by the way, if you want to be really good at these fractions. So 9 1 times is 9, 9 2 times is 18, 9 2 times, 9 3 times is 27, 9 4 times is 36. So I have to keep on trying this until my value, if that is either equal to this number, it goes beyond that numerator. Okay, so you see that 9 4 times is 36. So this is 9 3 times is 27. So how much is left over here? So that is going to be 4. Okay, so this is 3 whole 4 over 9. If you want to just check your answer, you see that 9 3 times is 27. 27 plus 4 is going to be 31 over 9. Now let's take some other denominator here. Let us try with the 2, okay? Now suppose you have 3 over 2. Now this is clearly an improper fraction. We want to change that into a mixed fraction, okay? You see that 3 is nowhere in the table of 2. So now let's try this 2. 1 times 2 to 2 times is 4. So 4 is more than 3. So I'll keep it up to 1. So 1 times is 2. So how much is we still need here? This is 2, 1 times 2, so we need 1 more because this is 3. This is 1 whole 1 over 2. Now suppose you had 5 over 2, okay? So this is going to be 2 1s are 2, 2 times 4, and then 2 3 times 6. I can't go up to 3. This is 2 times 4, and we still have 1 left. This is 2 whole 1 over 2. Suppose we have 11 over 2. So this is 1 times 2, 2 times 4, 3 times 6, 4 times 8, 5 times 10, 6 times, that is going to be 12. So we don't need 12 here. So it's 5 times 10. So 1 is left. 10 plus 1 is 11. This is 5 whole 1 over 2. So that is how you change this when the denominator is to change this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Now let's take let's suppose we have 12 over 5, okay? So this 12 is not a factor of 5, 12 is not there in the table of 5. So the result has to be, if you simplify this, the result has to be a mixed fraction. So 5 1 times 5, 5 2 times 10, and 5 3 times is 15. 15 is more than 12, so I'll keep it up to 2. 5 2 times 10, okay? So how much more we need here? 2. This is 2 whole 2 over 5, okay? Suppose you had 18 over 5, okay? You see 5 3 times is 15, and there is still 3 more required. This is 3 whole 3 over 5, okay? Suppose you had 31 over 5. So you see that 5 6 times is 30, and 1 is still required, the 6 whole 1 over 5. So that is how you change your improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Now I'll be telling you how to go back into from the mixed fraction into towards the improper fraction, because you must know that when you have to add, subtract, multiply, divide the fractions, ideally they should be written as in the fraction form, either the proper fraction or the improper fraction. Now suppose you have 2 whole 1 over 2. Now this is a mixed fraction. We want to change that into an improper fraction, okay? Now there is a desi method. We just say that this 2 times 2, you just multiply these two together, and the result you add this one like numerator into it. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, okay? So this is going to be 5 over 2, okay? Similarly, suppose you have 3 whole 2 over 3. So this is 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11 over 3. Suppose you have 5 whole 1 over 4. This is 4 times 5 is 20, 20 plus 1 is going to be 21 over 4. Okay, let me give you 2-3 more examples so that you can then try them yourself. Suppose you have 3 whole 3 over 4. Okay, you have 5 whole 2 over 9. You have 2 whole 6 over 7. You have let's say 2 whole 1 over 9. You have 3 whole 2 over 5. So you can try them yourself. You can pause the video, you can try, and then you can see that how I'm doing this, okay? So now, for this one, this is 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, that is going to be 15. This is 15 over 4. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 2 is going to be 47 over 9. This is going to be 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20 over 7. This is 9 times 2, 18 plus 1, that is 19 over 9. This is 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, that is going to be 17 over 5. So if you look at the past papers from of O levels, you can have many questions, or you can try from your textbooks. you can you must try to convert from the improper fractions to the mixed fractions, and from the mixed fractions to the improper fractions. This is really required if you want to be good at the 4 operations on fractions. Thank you very much.